To add a blog to your site, follow these steps. After preparing the page that will host your blog, go to Content and under Applications, add the blog module. Once inserted, hover over the blog and click on Blog, then on New Article to insert a blank article and fill it out. To display the menu, just press the Tab key. You can add images to it. Titles, subtitles, lists, tables, you have plenty of options. Once your article is written, you can save it as a draft or publish it directly. To manage and edit your blog, hover over the top of the block and click on Manage the module under Settings. You can adjust your preferences like display settings, the order of your posts, whether to allow comments or not, email notifications, and so on. Don't forget to save your changes at the bottom of the page. To edit your articles, no matter where you are when editing your site, just go to the menu, Applications, then Blog, and under Browse Articles, hover over it and click on the pencil icon to edit, or the gear icon to set it up. If you want, a blog post can disappear from your list of articles, either by giving it an expiration date or by archiving it directly. It's also possible to add a clickable tag to your article to categorize it, which will make it easier for visitors to navigate your site